Okay, all of you, good evening. So, what we are going to study today is about the radius of electron revolving in the nth orbit of an hydrogen atom. Okay, so we will be studying about the radius of an electron. I mean, the radius of nth orbit in hydrogen atom. So this is what we are going to study. It's very important as far as your second year board examination is concerned. So we are going to find out the expression for radius, okay, of the electrons nth orbit. Okay. So let us first do one thing. Let us assume an atom. Let us assume this is an orbit, okay, and an electron is revolving in this orbit. At the center, we have a nucleus. The charge on the nucleus is Ze and the electron is revolving around it. Say this distance is the radius of this orbit. Yellow line indicates orbit, red indicates nucleus. R is the radius of the orbit. So let us quickly consider E as electron charge, M mass of electron, M mass of electron, and R radius of orbit. And if the electron is going in this direction with velocity v, let us consider v is velocity of electron. V is velocity of electron. It is like a stone tied to a thread which is revolving, and suddenly if the thread cuts, the stone goes straight with velocity v. So between electron and the nucleus, there is Coulomb force of attraction that will be given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Coulomb's force. Okay, it is between electron and the nucleus. Nucleus का charge Z है. If it is hydrogen atom, then Z will be equal to 1, right? तो Z की जगह मैं E लिखता हूँ and E into E divided by the distance between them is R square. This is Coulomb force of attraction between the electron and nucleus. It will be also equal to the centripetal force which is existing between them. Centripetal force because electron is revolving in a circular path. Centripetal force is towards the center. So when I solve this equation, let me find R from here. So let us shift this R square on the right side. The equation become E square. Okay. The equation become E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This R square comes this side. It becomes mv square. R square upon R will become mv square R. Let us call this as equation number 1. I hope that is understood. Then this is all. How did you understand? How did you take these points? These are according to Bohr's postulates. According to Bohr's postulates. Okay. According to Bohr's postulates. Then there is one more postulate which says that the angular momentum, this electron will be having some momentum. Momentum is quantity of motion. So angular momentum MVR is equal to n into h by 2 pi. Square it on both the sides. You get m square v square r square is equal to n square h square divided by 4 pi square. I squared it on both the sides. I call this as equation number 2. Now I'm going to divide this second equation by the first equation. So what we will do 2 divided by 1. When I divide this second by 1, so what happens is we will get something as such. We get m square v square r square divided by mv square r divided by mv square r, and on the right side we have n square h square divided by 4 pi square divided by, we have this thing e square uh, e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. We have e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so m square v square r square divided by mv square r, that is here, and this stuff n square h square by 4 pi square I have divided it by e square by 4 pi epsilon. So here m square and m v square and v square will cancel, m square and m will be cancelled, we remain with only m. R square and R will cancel, we remain with only R. What we are going to get is this n square h square divided by 4 pi square into this entire stuff goes up, we get 4 pi epsilon naught divided by e square. This entire stuff goes up, it becomes inverted. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled, pi and pi gets cancelled, we remain with pi here. Okay, and we shift this m down here. So what we get? We get that implies we shift this m down. We get r is equal to n square h square epsilon naught divided by pi m into e square. This is the radius of nth orbit. This is the radius of nth orbit in case of a hydrogen atom. I hope that is clear to you. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching.
इनके पास रोटियां नहीं था सर लेट वाली से सब लोग पार्सल